I've got a new racer here. It's a made in the USA. It's a 4,000 RPM. That's what you're not supposed to exceed it. It's called a Astro Pneumatic Tool Company. It's an eraser to get rid of all this glue and stuff on here. So let me show you how this works quick, and then I'll get after it, and that way we can get to buffing. So as you can see, guys, that gets rid of all the sticky on the boat. You can see where they sanded it, where they originally sanded it to put the keel guard on there. So they did it the right way. Just adhesive just didn't stick to the actual keel guard itself real good. So, but anyway, I want to rock and roll with this thing and make a mess here and get this glue off here real quick, and then get the rest of this cleaned up and get it buffed up, get it cleaned up, looking good. So anyway, touch back with you here in a few minutes. Bye.